Hey everybody, if your phone speaker is having a low sound issue, in this video we are going to provide you through some solutions for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So we can start by pressing up the volume buttons, and once you press it up you can look out for the settings. So you can start by pressing up the volume buttons and even look out for settings, sound and vibration. So go to settings and look out for sounds and vibration, and look out for the option and ensure it is not on mute and it is on sound. This option right here that should be done, and even vibration when turning on. And again, look out for your vibration intensity as well and your volume as well. Tap on it and ensure the volume option are on for the necessary ones. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and make sure the do not disturb option is turned off. So you can just go over and access the quick settings panel and look out for the do not disturb mode and ensure this option right here is turned off. If this option is turned on, you can turn it off to raise the media ring and alert volumes, and ensure any focus mode are also not limiting the sound. And apart from that, you can access the quick settings once again and look out for the Bluetooth section as well, and ensure the Bluetooth option is turned off and it's not connected to another device as well. And what you can do is you can check your media volume limit as well. So go to settings, go to sounds and vibration, look out for volume, and tap on the three dot at the top and look out for media volume limit, and ensure this is turned on, and you can use the slider right here to control it as well. And that's it. Those are probably the fixes you can try out and let us know. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.